Acha, whatever we have discussed till now, any confusion is there?
No, sir.
All good, everyone?
Yes, sir, no confusion, but just having question. If we just get a study material, so if we just went through that, so we'll just clear idea about that.
Fine. I'll share that.
Sure, thank you.
Okay, so see, I'll do one thing. Let's take an example. I have a simple command like, let's say I want to copy something. Okay, I want to copy. Copy is very important because normally when I want to perform anything now, let's say I want to make some changes to the database, or let's say I want to make some changes into file, we always try to take the backup of that file. When I have a backup, like I can fearlessly I can make the changes. There is no problem in that, because when I have a backup available and if something went wrong, I can restore my backup, right? So I want to copy my file. What I want to do, I want to copy my file. So whenever you want to copy any file, there is a simple command cp. I want to copy a file. So you need to specify source. Source means what do you want to copy? I want to copy a file. I want to specify source, and then you need to mention destination where you want to copy. Copy and paste. Okay, so it is like cp source and destination. I'll take a very small example quickly. It's quite easy. I'll just say okay, and let's see. Right click, open terminal. So I'll just say I want to say copy. Let's say I have one file here with the name pqr.txt. Okay, I just want to take a backup of this file. So I'll say cp. What do you want to copy? I want to copy this pqr.txt. When you want to paste, you need to specify a name. What is the name? So I'll say pqr underscore backup dot txt. Press enter. If I do ls-lrt, I can see there is a file called pqr.txt and the new file also got created. Whenever I want to open a file, I don't want to edit. I can use the command like cat pqr.txt. I can see the content of my pqr.txt. I am Linux, I am student of learnement, and let me open the backup file cat pqr backup.txt. See here, both the file have same to same content, only the file name got changed. So whenever you want to copy any file, so the command is cp. I want to copy. What do you want to copy? I want to copy the file. What is the name? pqr underscore backup.txt. With the name, I can copy this file in different location also. See, recently I copied it in the same location. So my original file is available under desktop. My destination file, which is my copied file, backup file, is also available in the same location. If I say cp pqr.txt, I want to paste it under /home/learnomed here. And if you don't specify a name, I just specified the location. Did I specify a name? So if I don't specify a name, it will get pasted it will get pasted with the same name. So if I go there slash home slash learnermail, you can see it has been pasted with the same name pqr.txt. But if you say cp pqr.txt and I want to paste it under desktop with the name www.txt, so it has been pasted with which name now? If I go to the desktop, it has pasted with www.txt. So very simple. If I want to copy anything, I'll say cp, what is the file name, pqr.txt. I can paste with the name pqr underscore backup.txt. I can give any name, there is no problem. So this file and this file both are available in the same location. If you want to paste in different location, you can say cp which file, pqr.txt. Different location means, let's say I want to paste it under learnomate location. I can specify name, I don't specify name, it's up to you. If I specify a name, it will be like abc.txt, so it will paste with new name in different location. Okay, and if you don't specify a name, cp pqr.txt slash home slash learnomate, so in that case it will paste with which same name, paste with same name. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear?
Yes.
Sir, could you please
Yes, sir.
repeat it once again?
So whenever I want to copy something, I'll use the command like cp. Cp is the command to copy. What I want to copy? I want to copy a file with the name pqr.txt. So in my current location, there is a file called pqr.txt. I'm going to copy that. When I want to paste it, I can paste with different name also. In the same location, two file cannot be with the same name. In my current location, I cannot have a two file with the same name, right? So obviously I need to give different name. I can paste it to different location also. When I'm pasting it to the slash home slash learnermail, I need to specify a name like abc.txt. I can give other name also. And if I don't specify a name, it will be pasted with the same name. So it will get pasted with pqr.txt only. Okay. Is it any question guys here? Everyone, any
Sir,
question?
this is only for files or
Directory also
directory?
we can do. I'll discuss about the directory.
Okay.
Okay, close this means complete this first. Try to run it on your laptop, use any file whatever you have, and just copy and paste. If you don't have any file, use vi editor or simply use touch command and file name, like let's say pqr.txt. It will create an empty file. You can use this command also just to create an empty file. Clear everyone? Any question? ठीक है. Okay, close this. Let me know once it is done. Okay. Done everyone? Done. ठीक है. Okay, I'll take one example. Just do one thing. So first of all, just create a folder structure if you don't have slash opt. Let's keep it simple first. Slash home slash learnomate. Here app, create a file with the name oracle.txt. Oracle.txt. Copy this file to slash home slash learnomate desktop. आयो शांत काम आता बाबू. abc.txt. राम 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 राम. समझ में आया? अंडरस्टूड गाइस दिस पार्ट? इज इट क्लियर? Is it clear everyone? So basically you need to create a folder structure like home, learnomate, app. Under that you need to create a file with the name oracle.txt. That file you need to copy and paste by using abc.txt. That file you need to paste by using abc.txt with the new name. Is it clear?
Yes.
Is it clear everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you try it now? Or
Yes,
you
sir.
want me to try? अरे कुछ तो बोलो.
Sir, could you please show us? Next time we can try.
फिर क्या काम की बात, सब मैं ही करूंगा तो आप लोग क्या करोगे? Just now I have shown na how to copy a file.
Yeah, we can do it.
Try it at least once. Okay, if you are
Yeah,
not able to do, I'll do that.
sure.
Is it done? Is it difficult? Hmm? Okay. See, first of all, you need to go inside the home, learnmate, create a folder with the name app. Under that, you need to create a file with the name oracle.txt. This file you need to copy under a desktop location with the name abc.txt. Quite simple. So basically, the solution will be I'm first of all go to the, like, if I want to just give you a solution, so it is like cd, or let's say I'll simply say mkdir hyphen p, create a location called /home /learnermate. This is already there. Under that, create a folder with the name app. Then which file you need to create? Oracle.txt. So if I want to create Oracle.txt, there are two ways there. You can directly say touch and provide the location till Oracle.txt, means /home /learnermate /app, and directly say Oracle.txt. No need to go into that location. You can create a file by your current location as desktop. If you are in desktop location, you can create a file from desktop also. Just provide the complete path. Then you will say cp what? Cp copy the file. Where is the file available? Under available /home /learnermate, then app. There is a file called oracle.txt. There this file is available. And where you want to paste? Under /home /learnermate /desktop with the name abc.txt. What do you think, guys? Is it clear? Is it clear? Difficult? Any question with this output? Any question with this output? Ask me if you have any questions. Okay, I'll show you this practically. So first of all, you need to create a location like home learnermate app. So I'll say home learnermate app now. So I'll say clear. Let's clear. I'll say mkdir hyphen p /home /learnermate app. I created this. Under that, I need to create a file with the name oracle.txt. So I'll copy this, paste it here. I need to create a file with the name oracle.txt. I can use VI editor also, but create simple file called oracle.txt. Now this file, so I'll specify a complete path. Where is my file? My file is available here. And where I want to paste? I want to paste under desktop. With which name? What is the file name I want to give? What is the file name I want to give? The file name is abc.txt. And if I don't give that abc.txt, then it will be pasted with which name?
Oracle.txt.
Done. If I go to here, can you see here in the bottom abc.txt? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear.
Let's take an example. I want to rename a file. Sometimes, okay, before that, let's take an example. I want to copy a folder. What I want to do, I want to copy a folder. So here we have a folder called dir1 is there, right? Under dir1, do we have anything? Let's do one thing. I'll create a folder called mkdir, and I'll create a folder with the name test1. Okay, under test1, I'll create one file with the name oracle.txt. Done. I'll go back. So I'll just coming back. So we have a folder called test1. Okay, this test1 folder I want to copy under dir1. Under dir1 what we have? dir1 small one, dir1 what we have? We do not have anything. So what is the command? Whenever you want to create, whenever you want to copy any folder, the command is simple, same cp, but you need to specify -r recursively. What do you want to copy? I want to copy test1. Where? Under dir1. Enter. So what will happen? dir1 is there, test1 is also there, but if I go inside the dir1, if I go inside the dir1, you can see something. What you can see? You can see that complete folder there. So if I go to the test1, I can see that file is also there now. So basically there is no difference between copying a file and copying a directory. Only the difference is when you want to copy a file, you will say cp source and destination, but here you will say cp -r the source folder and destination folder. You will mention -r recursively. Means you are going to copy a folder, the complete folder you are going to copy, and whatever thing which are available under that folder, like in the dir1 we had, under test1 we had, what we had, oracle.txt was there na, so that also got copied under dir1. If you don't mention -r, you will get the error message saying that omitting directory, something like that. So if you just say above command, but if you don't mention -r, something like cannot, no such. Okay, I'm inside here now. So now we have test1 omitting directory. The omitting means you are not able to copy a directory. If you want to copy, you need to mention -r recursively. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
This one. Try this. Try this and let me know once it is done. Try this and let me know once it is done. Is it clear? Okay. One more command I want to tell you. Let's take an example. I want to rename some file. Okay, rename means the command is mv. Let's say I have one file with the name oracle.txt and I want to rename that file with the name pqr.txt. So this is the way we can use. You can also provide the complete path also wherever your oracle.txt is available. Let's say my oracle.txt is available under slash here and you want to rename with the name pqr.txt. So this is also possible. So mv is basically useful for when you want to rename a file or rename a folder also, or you can do like cut and paste also, means basically you are move the file. When you want to move the file, like let's say you want to cut from one location and paste it to other location, that is also possible. Like I'll give one example. See, I see there is a file called abc.txt. I want to move it to, let's say, dir1. So I'll say mv abc.txt, where I want to move under dir1. Under dir1, do you want to give the name different name while moving? If you want to change the name, you can give different name also, like this. Let's say pqr.txt. So if you go to the dir1 now, you can see the file with the name pqr.txt. But does that file available under desktop now? abc.txt, is it available? No, it's not there. It's not copy, it's a move. You can rename the file also. Let's say I want to rename this file like mv www.txt with, let's say I want to give the name क्या नाम देना यार, rat.txt. Enter. If I say ls-lrt, www.txt got renamed with rat.txt. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
I can
Yes, sir.
rename the folder also. Let's say I want to rename dir1 with test3. If I do ls-lrt, dir1 got renamed with test3. This is also possible. Any question? Any question? Any question, guys? Okay. So that's how we can do that. Copy. Please close this, okay? User permission. Let me know once it is done, guys. Done, sir. Is it done? Okay, fine. All right, so let's take few more commands.
Sir,
Yes,
sir,
tell me.
in CP command, sir, hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Uh, Sir, in CP command, if destination folder not available in the
It
system.
will create a folder then.
Okay, okay.
So if you don't have the destination folder available, let's say you want to copy it under oracle.txt and you want to copy it under, let's say, data folder. Okay, so it will create a data folder. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I say cp rat.txt and I want to create it under f3, which is not exist. Okay, f1 is there, f2 is there. So if you see here, f3 folder got created, and if I go inside f3, अरे क्या हुआ, गड़बड़ किया क्या मैंने? नहीं, f3 नाम से फाइल बना. अच्छा ठीक है, 1 minute, let me cross check. So if I say f4 and I'll say, अच्छा, I need to create that directory then. It will not create, we need to create that. But I have seen something like this is the question, right? See,
Hello.
this is the question now. Let's say I want to create under test1. Acha, that directory it will create then. Let's say,
Sir, we have to use hyphen R na, then.
hold on, direct in the directory case it is there. If I say test1, I want to create it under test4. So in directory level it will done. So I want to copy this test1 folder. Okay, this one, where under test4. But does test4 is available? Test4 is available here.
No.
What it has done, it has created that test4 folder. See here. And now if you go to the test4, you can see the files which is available under test1 got copied here. Clear?
Okay.
Now, okay, just take few more examples. Consider a situation that, okay, so I'm going to talk about some file opening commands. Okay, file opening command. File opening command means, just take an example. Let's say I have one text file is there. Okay, normal as in, and I want to open the file. The first command is cat abc.txt. When you use cat command, it will open the file on the terminal only. Like you can see, the whole terminal will be filled up with that data. So cat we normally use when you have short lines are there. Let's say I have 10 lines, 5 lines. That time cat is good. Let's take example. I want to edit a file also. I can use editor abc.txt. You already know about this. You can edit and all those things you can pause. It is possible. I want to open only top 10 lines or 20 lines. That time you can use head, let's say 20 abc.txt. So it will open only 20 lines head. Let's say I want to open only tail 20 abc.txt. What does it means? Tail means bottom 20 lines. Then let's say I don't want to open a complete file. I want to open it as a page number 1 2 3 4, something like that. For that you can use more or less, both are same only. abc.txt, both are two different command. Okay, more abc.txt, less abc.txt. You can do like this, more abc.txt, less abc.txt. Less is quite advanced, like, but mostly we use in real-time production main this one. Okay, this is quite useful, which we use in real-time production environment. More also you can use, let's say you want to read a file line by line. Okay, that time we can use that. I'll show you this. So if I just take an example here, ls-lrt clear. Do you know any file which is having more data? I think pqr.txt. Okay, let's take example of this. So if I say cat pqr.txt, you can see the complete file got open here on my terminal, right? Complete file. So it has taken the space of my terminal only. It is not opening his own pop-up. If I say vi pqr.txt, the file is opening in the new window, and if I close it, you cannot see anything on the terminal now. Did you understand, guys, what I'm trying to say? So editor will open his own pop-up, something like that, and it will get closed. It will not use the space of terminal. Good thing about the editor, like when you want to edit something, when you have a short file, let's say I have line like 10-20 lines are there, 5 lines are there, I can use cat command. Let's say I want to open a file only 10 head, 2 lines I want to open, top 2 lines, and then I'll say pqr.txt. So head will open only top 2 lines. If I say tail -2 pqr.txt, so this is a, see, now you cannot see the, because there are blank spaces are there, so it will consider as a line. Instead of say, I'll say 4 see, I can see 1 2 3 4. So head is top, tail is bottom line, cat is open a complete file on the terminal, but mostly use when you have less number of lines are there. And then you can use more command also. More command will open a file in a, see, like this, slowly it will open. Now this file itself is very small. If I add some content into this file, you will understand the real fun. Let's say I open this file and let me insert something. I'll insert something. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's say I copied it some content. paste. If I say more, see 6% file has been opened. So one page has been opened. If I press enter, the next line it will open. If I press space, so it will open a complete new page, the next page, next page. So basically that complete file it will divide into the small page. So space also you can use. If you want to close, Control C, and it's happening like this. Is it clear, everyone? Without opening a file also you can do that by using cat command. So there is an option in cat. Let's see if you say something like this. I'll say test line, something like that. So you can use this if you want to add something now. Let's say I'll open that file now, pqr.txt. In the bottom or somewhere, test.txt, can you see somewhere? Test, I appended, there is a way to add content. 1 minute, let me cry. Acha, like this. See, if I say, so if you say cat pqr.txt, नहीं ऐसा नहीं, कैसा है वो, cat pqr.txt. In this file I want to add something. What I want to add, I'll write down it. I am adding new line. New is good, good is bad, something like that. And then I'll press Control D. Then I'll press Control D. And if you check that file now, can you see that line has been added without opening a file? This is also possible. So whenever you want to open a file, you can use cat command. Whenever you want to open and edit, you can use vEditor. Whenever you want to use top command, top lines, you can do that. Whenever you want to open bottom lines, you can use this. Whenever you want to open a line like slowly one by one in pages or one by one line number, you can use more or less command. If you want to append without opening a file, append a content, let's say I want to add some 2 line without opening a file, you can say cat file name abc.txt. You can write down your content like line number 1, line number 2, and then say Control plus D to save the file. Is it clear? Is it clear?
So what is the difference between more or less?
Both are same, okay? Both are same. More, it does not have more features like, let's say you want to go back, okay? So that is possible with the less command. More will always go in the forward direction. So less, like you have features like you can go back, you can do all those things with less command. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat move command, replace command,
Which command?
mv command?
So mv command is useful when you want to rename a file or when you want to move a file or when you want to do the file like cut and paste. Cut and paste, everyone understood, right? Cut and paste. So how to move a file? The command is mv abc.txt, and if I say pqr.txt, so abc.txt will be renamed with which file? pqr.txt. But let's say you want to move a file also. Move means, let's say I want to move a file from desktop location to some other location. I want to cut the file from desktop and paste it to its different location, then also I can use the same command. So I'll say, let's say I'm inside the desktop. Under desktop I have this file with the name abc.txt. I want to move it under /home location. So it will cut from desktop location and paste it to the home location. Is it clear, everyone? Move
Yes.
command. Is this clear, this command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine guys, okay. You guys can try this. I'll send a screenshot. Maybe no. Okay, I have sent the screenshot. By any chance, if you it's available in the group. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Let's connect tomorrow. Tomorrow is which day? The Friday.
Friday.
Yes. मेरे को घर जाना है, उसके पहले लिनक्स खत्म करना था. Because I'm traveling by 28. Most probably we will connect tomorrow, but I will let you know on the time. Okay, few minutes back I'll let you know. Okay, is it possible to edit in the middle of the text? If you want to edit, like you can use v editor and edit whatever you want to do. Okay, if you want to edit a file, we have v editor is there na, you can use that. But if you want to do with the automation, you can write down a script and you can do that. Fine.
Sir, how can we delete the folder in the desktop location?
rm command. Let's say I'm inside the desktop. I want to delete this test4 folder. Okay, so I'll say rm -r. Okay, if you want to delete just a file, rm and test line dot. So this way you can delete a file, just rm command. But when you want to delete a folder now, you need to say rm -r and folder name test4. So it's gone, this one. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Let me write down here how to delete a file or a directory. Whenever you want to delete a file, simple command is rm and file name. When you want to delete a folder or directory, rm -r and directory name. If you want to delete, sometimes like you need to delete forcefully also. So that case you can say rm space rf. This will delete everything, file or directory, both is possible here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine guys, yeah, thanks, bye bye. So most probably we will connect tomorrow because I'm traveling for 1 week to my hometown. But before that I want to clear your Linux, so that in that break you guys can go through the Linux, all the lectures. So I think I'm traveling by 28, but still we have 26, 27 is there. Okay, so that is the assignment you guys need. I'll give a small assignment. Can you try /home abc.txt that you want to copy with the name /data pqr.txt. Is it clear? Okay, try this. Bye guys, thanks.